Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am Dei-Rasi, and today what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be showing you another way that you could be earning cryptocurrency / monies for free on the internet. And I'm going to be sharing a whole lot of these, so you can just choose the ones that you could work with. Alright, this is one that I use in my spare time, so I'm going to be showing you about Earnbitmoon. Now, if you are brand new to the channel, I just want you to know that liking this video, if this is your sort of thing, earning quick penny here and there on the internet for free, if that's your sort of thing, then consider liking this video. If you have not done so as yet, subscribe to the channel. That does help as well. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you've tried this before, if you've tried other programs, let me know in the comment section below. If you like the video or don't like the video, you could just tell me in the comment section which parts you like, which parts you did not like. So I'm going to be showing you a little bit about Earnbitmoon. I have been on it for about 3 days now. Have not really been a very long time, but I just want to show you. And one of the reasons why I want to show you is that if I do this video by today, then I will be getting some free coins. So I am doing this to honor that part of it. Normally, I like to test these programs for much longer, and I know persons have made money from Earnbitmoon. I have been watching it for a while, but it's one of those programs that actually you have to really be on the platform to really earn, and that's not necessarily my kind of thing, but this may be your sort of thing. I really like mostly the passive ways for earning. But let's just see what happens here in Earnbitmoon. Right off the bat, you can see, all right, on this side, the left side here, we have this nice interface that we can see all these different things that can assist us. We can see our balance, membership, which is free forever. You can see I have earned 3 times today. Now let me show you how you earn firstly. All right, so right in this section is right the section claim free coins every 5 minutes, or if you come right up here, you could see that's a faucet. So I earn free Bitcoin every 5 minutes, and there are times when they actually give you a blitz. So like yesterday, we had you earn free Bitcoin every minute, and this lasted for about 3 hours. It was amazing. Let me just click on it, and if I had clicked here, it's the very same place I would have ended up. So all I do is that I complete this to prove that I'm not a robot. Then I click press and win, and whatever number comes up, so I would have won in this case 5.05 coins. Now on here it gives you a meter, so if you roll between 1 and 89, you would have earned that amount of coin. If you had rolled 90 to 95, you would have gotten that, you would have that, I've gotten up to 18 coins. I've not yet gotten the 80 coins, so I'm still looking for that. But there are other ways to earn. Now every single day you get a daily bonus, every single day, and the thing is that they start you off with 10 coins, and then you get 1 coin every single day after that for free. You just come here, claim a daily bonus. If you miss one of those days, then it resets to 0. Then we also have view ads. Let me just click on view ads, and you can see you can get 7 coins for visiting this ad. I think it also gives me a time. What was that time? I think it was 10 seconds. So I just view this ad for 10 seconds. There's a timer that is going to come up here, and it counts down or up, whichever way. And when it is finished, I would have received some coins. You don't have to stay on this page. That's the beauty about this. So I have now watched it. Now I have to prove that I am not a robot. I have to choose the image that does not belong in this row, which is this one, and that's it. I would have been credited now with some more coins. So that's the view ads. You also have short links. Now short links can be a bit of a doozy. All right, so for example, this one earns me 15 coins. If I go to it, this is what happens. With the short link, first prove that I am not a robot. Same procedure from before, and I'm redirected to short links. Here's what really happens in short links. Now short links is actually, I don't know why they call it short links, because there's so many links that you'd have to go through before you get to the destination link. But it's just a way for advertisers to advertise multiple links in just one. So I have to click. Sometimes there's a capture, sometimes, and you have to know what to really look out for. Short links is not my favorite thing. There's a whole lot of overlay, so it keeps redirecting to different things. It has its purpose. All right, traffic lights. No one likes doing capture. No one. It's now taking me to a destination page. So if I click anything at all, it actually heads to an overlay. All right, the link is being prepared. It counts down. This bugger. have to get rid of you. I can get the link, and there I have now completed, you know, that short link, and I would have received 15 coins, right? And there are normally contests, they say I have 22 points because I have done 22 short links. Not my favorite thing to do. I'm not in the active stuff. I really want to do the passive stuff. But there are other ways to earn. I mean, there are the tasks. There are other ways, you know, you can go here, Hideout TV. It's similar to Offer Wall. There are challenges that you could be a part of. Offer Walls over here. You go and you click, you do offers, you receive a lot of coins. Games, you know, these are other things that, so you can just go and try out the platform, guys, and if it works for you. Obviously, as you can see, 5 minutes has already passed since I start this video, so I can now claim some more free coins. That's all for this video. If you do like this sort of thing, then there's a link in the description below where you could get your link and then you could sign up. At the same time, I'm also going to be leaving the links to Coinbase and Binance. Well, Coinbase and Binance. So if in case, obviously you're going to need a way to withdraw your coins. Obviously, you come down here, you would need to withdraw your coins, and to complete your withdrawal, in fact, should I withdraw right now, Lord? So you can withdraw straight to Faucet Pay, or you can go to Payout or Coinbase, or straight to a crypto wallet. So I would probably send it either to Coinbase or to Faucet Pay. As you can see, even though I withdraw from my Faucet Pay regularly, you could probably see that on a daily basis, I still withdraw a whole lot of money to Faucet Pay. So today is the 26th, but yesterday the 25th, you could see that I would have done 1, 2, 3, 4 different withdrawals to my Faucet Pay, and yesterday I made one withdrawal from Faucet Pay to my cryptocurrency account, but now it starts to replenish again, so I do have negligible 3 Satoshi in Bitcoin. I do have 1,194 Satoshis in Litecoin. Solana, I would have withdrawn these to Faucet Pay, and then when I am ready, I withdraw from Faucet Pay to my, so I would come here and I would withdraw straight to my cryptocurrency account. So this is just another way for you to earn, if that's your sort of thing. So consider liking this video, consider subscribing, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is not one that I would recommend for the persons who like the whole passive earning. No, if down the road I discover a way where this could be automated for passive earning, then I'll be back to make another video, follow-up video, and as soon as I find anything new, I will make follow-up videos. But for now, it's one that I just do just solely in my spare time. So looking forward to seeing you in the next video. I'm Dei-Rasi. Thanks for watching.